Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this Y2K outfit in dress and dress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color for the first selection, and also the second selection you can color it with this one. Put on this necklace, make it this color, and this earring, and this sunglasses, you can make it this color for the frame, the black color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this top area, and then I'm going to put on this top. Okay, and then I'm going to apply brown color, this one. Right, and then I'm going to make it a denim. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to this area and put on this belt, and then we're going to add chains. Okay, and then for the color, I'm going to apply on this color. Okay, this is for the color code. And then for the next one, I'm going to make it this color. This is for the color code guys. And for the third one, make it the same color, this gold color. Alright, and then I'm going to go to this area and then put on this hat. Okay, for this hat, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection. Okay, this is for the color code. And for the next one, just leave it like that. And then I'm going to put on this item. Okay, I'm going to make it this color. Okay guys, for the first selection and also the second selection, this is for the color code. Basically you can color it dark brown, and then I'm going to put on this boots. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to move to the jeans area, put on this jeans, and then you're going to remove the flower and go to the pattern, and you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to this back area, put on this back, and for the first one, can apply this pattern, and for the next one, I'm going to apply this color. And then guys, I'm going to go to the changing room, and then I'm going to go to the curves item, and I'm going to select this jacket and remove the watermelon. And for this jacket, I'm going to apply this one. Okay, this is for the coat. Okay guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this Y2K outfit in dress and dress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.